Hello guys, and welcome to yet another edition of Mac Tips and Tricks with the Apple Tutor. Today, we're going to be playing with Terminal and entering some unique commands that could come handy to you. Let's get started right away. Go ahead and open up Terminal. If you do not have a clear window already, just go ahead and type in clear. Now you'll have an empty Terminal window. We know that taking screenshots is a useful feature, but it can clutter your desktop. We can actually change the directory we save the screenshots into. So you want to go ahead and type in defaults, write com.apple.screencapture, and location as a new word. Now you want to go ahead and drag the location you want to save your screenshots into. I want to go ahead and use my documents folder. So go ahead and drag the actual documents folder into our command. Now go ahead and hit enter. We need to actually refresh the SystemUIServer. So go ahead and type in killall SystemUIServer. Hit enter, and it's as simple as that. We will now notice that if we actually get a screenshot, I'm going to go ahead and take a screenshot of my desktop, it will no longer save in our desktop. It will in fact save on our documents folder right over here. Instead of typing up a huge path, we can drag the location we want to save our screenshots into. Very, very useful. You can always undo this action. Go ahead and type in the entire command again. So defaults, write com.apple.screencapture location, and we write a little tilde / desktop. We have got to go ahead and kill all system server UI once again. So now we can go ahead and take a screenshot, and you'll now notice that it saves back onto our desktop. You might wonder what the tilde was. It in fact represents your home directory. So typing tilde / desktop is the same as writing, in this case, users / varuns MacBook / desktop, and your user would just be your user here. So this is a really quick way of entering your home directory. Updating your software in Mountain Lion can now be done through the App Store, but we can use a quicker way to perform software updates by using sudo commands. Do note that sudo commands, if entered incorrectly, can harm your computer. So make sure you copy out and follow exactly what I'm typing. I'm going to go ahead and type in sudo, and you're going to type in software update, and hit -L, which will display a list of software updates to install. Go ahead and hit enter, and it will ask us for a password. So while entering your password, it won't display what you're typing. So that's a secure way of going about sudo commands. We're going to go ahead and hit enter, and there we go. We have the software update tool. It will take a few minutes to actually load up potential software updates we can install. So be patient. And there we go. It's displayed software updates we can install. If you'd like to install all available updates, just enter sudo software update -IA. Now once again, you have to enter your password when prompted, and it will install the updates for you. A very handy feature and much quicker than actually going into the App Store. If you're using a computer with multiple users, it's always good to leave a message in the login window. So go ahead and type in sudo defaults, write, and we have to enter a directory here, library / preferences com.apple.loginwindow, and you want to hit a space and type in LoginwindowText. So now you want to enter your login message in quotation marks. So I'm going to just type in back off. This is Varun's laptop. Go ahead and enter, and it will ask for a password once again. Go ahead and enter that. And there we have it. The next time you log out or restart your Mac, your message will appear. To get rid of this message, simply type sudo defaults delete /library preferences com.apple.loginwindow, and you want to go ahead and type in LoginwindowText just the way I've typed it. Hit enter, and there we have it. It will undo what we've just done. At certain times, we'd like to prevent our Mac from falling asleep. There are many applications that help achieve this task, such as Caffeine, but we can perform a simple command with a rather fun name. It's called caffeinate. So go ahead and type in caffeinate, hit enter, and there you have it. Your Mac will be prevented from falling asleep. You can stop this by hitting Ctrl+C. It's that simple. You can also add a time parameter by entering caffeinate -u and then a space -t and enter a number, and this number will represent seconds, so let's go ahead and type in 300. So in this case we're keeping the Mac awake for 5 minutes. Go ahead and hit enter, and there we have it. You can always stop this timer by hitting Ctrl+C. You may notice that when we drag a cursor to the bottom of the screen, there's a small delay that takes place. While this is minor, we can remove the delay entirely. You can easily do this by typing in defaults, write com.apple.dock space auto hide delay space -float, and then you can go ahead and type in your number. So I'm going to go ahead and type in 0.1. And there we have it. The changes won't take effect until you restart the dock, which you can do by typing killall dock. Go ahead and hit enter. So like I said, the number at the end represents the delay time in seconds, which you can customize to your liking. Let's go ahead and see. Now there is no delay. There is almost no delay, I should say. To get it back to default, go ahead and type defaults delete com.apple.dock auto hide -delay. Now you want to go ahead and hit killall dock. That's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed these terminal commands. A full list of these commands is available in the description of this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you for the next episode of the Apple Tutor. Cheers.